Hello, in this tutorial we're going to check how to use inclusive tags option in Attack ERP. So in order to enable the inclusive tags option, you need to enable a few settings, and for that you need to go to module settings, general, and search for inclusive. So when you type inclusive, you'll get to see these options. So if you want the inclusive tags option in receipt and payment transactions like cash receipt, cash payment, bank receipt, and bank payment, etc., like that, then you can enable these settings, the first one. And the same goes for credit note and debit note, and the purchase and sales related transactions. So I'm going to enable both these. And if you want to avail it in say service transactions, then you can enable the service purchase and service sales transaction as well. Then just click OK. Once you're done with that, you need to go to masters and go to slab. And if you have already created a slab, then you can search for it, double click it, and edit the same, and enable this option called Ease Inclusive. If you're about to create a new slab, then you can enter the slab code. In my case, I'm going to enter like that 5% something, and enter the name of the slab. And you can specify what type of slab it is. It is VAT, and you can set the the date, and you can mention the percentage here in the value column, that is 5%, and enable this option called Ease Inclusive. And you can also change the calculation base from taxable amount to another slab value, net amount, or gross amount as well. And once you're done with that, you can just click save and close it. Then again, you need to apply the same for all the products. You can go to a particular product, you can select the product and then just change the slab value over here to 5%, and just click save. Okay, we get to go. And when you go to the purchase invoice, now that you can see an additional column called after rate, there will be an inclusive rate column as well. So I'm going to search for mango juice. The purchase rate is 100 and the sales rate is 1000. And as you can see, in the rate column, the tax is reduced from the rate, and thus it shows the rate as 95.24 and the inclusive rate as 100. And if you check the total tax over here, that will be 4.76. If you add 4.76 to the rate, it will be 100. Okay, so that's how we make use of the inclusive rate, or maybe the inclusive tax option, in purchase invoice, and the same goes for sales invoice as well. So if you open the sales invoice, there will be an additional column after rate, which is the inclusive rate option. Okay, hope you understand, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.